booty.
Yeah. Damn, and she was getting paid. I heard she 42 now though.
Yeah.
Somebody said she big.
Yeah, chunky dunking.
Yeah.
No skinny dipping with that one.
Yeah, somebody said she big. I ain't even go look at her. I asked her, did I have to go look at her channel? And cause she subscribed to my channel and stuff. I was like, do I gotta go watch yours and subscribe to yours? She was like, nah, you good.
I think she subscribed to put Big Nasty in his place.
Yeah, Big Nasty. She put him right in his place. Big Nasty. I think he was in here a while ago.
Maybe he'll be back.
I sure pretty. Have you ever had some barbecue lemon pepper wings?
I don't think I have.
Yeah, my brother, he came up with it and we started rapping about it. Barbecue lemon pepper. I want some barbecue lemon pepper. I might give me a spray or a bottle of Dr. Pepper. I don't know.
I feel kind of bad that other dude that was out there filming or streaming or whatever acted like he wanted to go, but he disappeared.
Where he went? I'll get him a little a brisket sandwich, a sliced beef sandwich. That's what I want. Well, them cows look alright. A sliced beef sandwich, man. What you be getting from the barbecue? What you like?
I mean, anything barbecued is good.
Yeah.
Ribs.
Yeah.
They make a sandwich here at this barbecue place. It's chopped brisket and chopped up sausage.
Brisket and sausage?
Yeah, all together. It's pretty damn good.
They trying to do something. I can't eat all that. That's too much food. I'll be done wasted some. I don't really like wasting food. So I just give me a small amount, and if I want some more, I'll go get another small amount, and if I want some more, I just keep going to get a small amount. I don't never fill up the plate.
How much smaller can it get if it's on the same boat?
Man, they be putting too much stuff all on. All these people in competition wanna. You seen the people put the chicken and the links and the sliced beef and the ribs. I can't do. Yeah, I ain't with all. That's too much. Then they want to put all that sauce on there. I like sauce, but still.
Good sauce.
Yeah.
Like some Sweet Baby Ray.
Yeah, Sweet Baby Ray. I think they #1 on the sauce. Did you know he was white?
No.
I didn't know either until I looked it up. I thought Sweet Baby Ray, I thought that was some black dude with a whole bunch of jerk curl juice dripping all down his shirt that be barbecuing. Man.
I mean, white people can barbecue too, I guess.
Yeah, but they ain't got no name Sweet Baby Ray.
Well,
I ain't never met no white man named Sweet Baby Ray. I don't even know a white Ray almost.
You ever met one called Team Thundercock?
Yeah. Oh, that you?
That's me.
Ah, man, I ain't know that was you. Man, I'm in here with Team. That's why he ain't on here watching today. I was just wondering in my mind. I said, damn, he be watching. Whoever this is next time, I'm going to ask him later. So you Eli Logan?
Yeah.
Dang, man. You look like your name.
Why is that?
You look like your name because you like one of them business, corporate type dudes. Somebody sent me a thing, but I ain't had a chance to look at it. But who you remind me of? Iron Man. You remind me of Iron Man. Tony Stark, that's his name.
I mean, I take that as a compliment for sure.
Yeah, you remind me of old Iron Man. The dude behind in the suit, wearing the suit, that's who he remind me of. Like he ready to transform at any time. You know how Iron Man be having that suit on, he be in the corporate office, doing the little work, like putting an update on the suit or something, making it do something new. That's how you look. Team Thundercock, y'all.
I was making people nervous out there.
Oh yeah?
I think so.
Yeah, cause you kinda look federal. You look federal, like, you know, like Tony Stark, like got that business suit on.
We're about to go have some barbecue.
Yeah, all that part cool.
Yeah.
Feds eat barbecue too.
Yeah.
Tony Stark eat barbecue too. Tony Stark. Yeah, that's who you remind me of. Is that his real name or what's the dude who play Iron Man real name?
Robert Downey Jr.
Robert
Downey Jr.
Robert Downey Jr.
Yeah.
Okay.
Way back in the day, he was on a bunch of like TV shows, movies, whatever. He used to get wrecked on alcohol and liability, too much of a hassle.
Yeah.
And then he got straightened out and came back.
He came back hard. That was before the Iron Man.
Yeah, way before.
Oh, he did alright then.
John Travolta was the same way.
Oh.
Except for the drugs part. He just made a handful of shitty movies and nobody wanted to fuck with him. And then Quentin Tarantino put him in Pulp Fiction and he came back.
Quentin Tarantino, that's that black dude.
No, he's not.
Oh, Quentin Tarantino ain't black. I don't know him. Who is it? I remember that name. What'd he do?
He made
Quentin Tarantino.
From Dusk Till Dawn. He
I
made,
heard that name.
The Hateful Eight, I think is the name of it.
The Hateful Eight.
Inglourious Bastards.
I need to see a picture of him. Let me make sure I know who I'm. Show me a picture of Quentin Tarantino.
Now he looks exactly the way that you think he look.
Pulp Fiction. Oh, that Quentin Tarantino. I forgot what he looked like to me.
I think the last movie
He looked crooked to me, man. A
Once
little
Upon
bit.
a Time in Hollywood.
Maybe it's that face
Yeah,
that he
that's
be
him.
making.
Yeah, he definitely doesn't look trustworthy.
Yeah, he looked like he'll cross you at any time, man. I wouldn't trust. Oh, Quentin Tarantino. He the one who made the Django. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, now I remember everybody was mad at him. I remember he did an interview. People was mad at him. I guess, was it? Oh, they was mad at him for letting. They ain't like that he put the N word in his
About 7,000 times.
Yeah, they was on his ass for that. He did Reservoir Dogs, Kill Bill,
Yeah.
Pulp Fiction. Is that a movie? I
Yeah.
ain't seen Pulp
That's
Fiction.
the one that John Travolta was in.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so now I know who it is. I'm gonna try to remember him. And then they said something about him with Jamie Foxx.
What about him?
I don't remember what it was. I don't know if they was it was something they clashed. He didn't do that movie For Any Given Sunday.
That was Oliver Stone.
Oh, okay. I don't know what. I remember they were saying something about Quentin Tarantino and Jamie Foxx. I don't know what it was. I'll be on YouTube. I barely be remembering all these different people's names. I barely be. Wait, I ain't seen Pulp Fiction. Nah, man, I ain't seen that movie. I don't know nothing about it. Who in it? I don't know what they did.
Samuel L. Jackson in it. Ving Rhames in it.
Oh yeah.
Bruce Willis.